What is up, guys? Back with another video. Today we are going to make some sauerkraut. Sauerkraut.
Krauting around.
Krauting around. We got our, what's that, Michael? Brock?
Yeah.
We got our cabbage. We go with a new method of slicing, shredding cabbage, and I'll show you that just in a minute. We got our stomper over here. That's our stomper. I don't think she's like that. Did too much, did she?
What?
Alright.
Ding, ding, ding.
Okay.
Their heads off now.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll bring them over towards the door. We gotta get them out there.
Okay, Thor.
Full of old papers, and then he'll mail it back to them. So they have to pay the postage. Like, you know, the ones that say no postage required, he'll fill it full of shit and throw it in the mailbox, and then they have to,
They pay the postage.
That's fucking genius. He's Diddy. Go hit him. And he spells my name, Danyell.
Who?
His dad.
Oh.
Danielle.
No.
I think he just does it.
He does it.
Yeah, on purpose.
Phone bill, Phone.
Oh, yeah. He used to like send me a birthday card or something, and if he'd put money in it, he'd put like $8.47.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh shit.
That's what he does. Liam hit $25 on a lottery ticket today.
Did he?
Oh, a little gambler.
Yours is out in the car. You never even scratched it off yet.
Making up. You wanna,
Am I gonna see him caught in a reliever trap when he's 18?
something
That guy that was ripping off those places.
I don't know.
To steal from those machines.
He was stealing from them?
He looked just like Mike.
Oh no.
So Mike sent me a picture and he's like, does this look like me? So I had Michael with me and I was like, Michael, who is that? He goes, that's Dad.
Oh boy.
It was the guy ripping off the Pennsylvania Skills machine.
Oh wow. Did they catch him?
Yeah. Mike was worried though. He's like, somebody's gonna come knocking on our door. I know it.
Which one was it?
Oh yeah, there's where I shot my blind.
Oh.
Yeah, it was sad.
Which picture of Mike was it?
I'll show you. It wasn't a picture of Mike, it was a picture of the guy that was thieving.
You're not bad.
What's up?
Oh, I don't
one?
know if I have it on this phone or not.
That's bad.
What?
That.
Take it over and wash it off. Take it and wash it off. What are you afraid of water?
More dirty.
You afraid
We
of
had
water?
this one here. That was a robbery that was.
Yes,
Oh, that's it?
Yeah. Doesn't that look like Mike?
Yeah, I was gonna tag him in the post on Facebook, and I thought that he'd get really pissed off at me if I did, so I didn't.
Water.
I didn't, Mike did.
Oh, Mikey.
I want to know whatever happened to that picture of Lance when he robbed that bank. He robbed the bank in Marion Center. Remember there was a picture circulating around?
You want to do the dishes? Do you what?
What's your problem?
What, babe?
See how squishy that is right now?
Yeah.
Warm water.
He loves the scrub daddy.
Oh my God, is it all?
Like if you want him to do dishes, get a scrub daddy and he'll do it.
Okay guys, update on the sauerkraut. A couple days later here. As you can see, I put a big stone on the top of that, and there's a piece of board underneath it, and we have probably a good 3.5 inches, 4 inches of liquid on that, which is great. So the stone keeps the pressure. There's a piece of plywood under the stone, and the weight of the stone pushing on it as the sauerkraut ferments, it sinks, it pushes the kraut down and compacts it. So I think that's going to be it for this video. Just take a towel, something to keep it covered, read it, slide it back there in the dark corner, and we're gonna let it go. So hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one. We go on.